One sunny afternoon, the little pug was trotting through the park when he heard a soft cry coming from a tall tree. A small gray cat was stuck on a high branch, meowing for help. The brave pug barked loudly, wagging his tail as if to say, "Don't worry, I'll save you." He tried jumping, climbing, even scratching at the trunk, but the tree was far too tall for his tiny legs. If you love stories where animals surprise us with their bravery, don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming rescues. Just as he began to whimper in defeat, his paw slipped into a small hole in the ground. He got stuck. The pug barked for help, and to everyone's surprise, the cat carefully climbed down on its own, landing beside him. With a gentle push of her paws, she freed the pug from the hole. In the end, the rescue flipped, and the cat became the hero.